Going to add the salt now. This is 1/4 teaspoon, so I'm adding 2, half a teaspoon total. So let it cook for a second. Hello, welcome to my cooking channel, Medha's Healthy Veg Kitchen. Today I'm making turnip green sabji, which is very nutritious. These are called turnip greens, and very popular North Indian winter dish called Shalgam sabji. Just chopping it up finely. First you wash it very well and then chop finely, and I will show you the steps as I prepare the vegetables. I have 2 boiled potatoes here. I'm just cubing it. You can cook it with this sabji, but today I boiled it separate, so it will be faster. I have the pan heated here and I'm just adding some oil. This is olive oil. Usually it is cooked in mustard oil, but I'm cooking with some good quality olive oil here. The oil heats up. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cumin into that. It's a very just simple cooking. Into that I'm adding 2 green chilies and 1 clove of garlic. Same thing. I'm adding chopped onion. I'm adding the potatoes also into that. This I'm adding little bit of hing, very little, a pinch of hing, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Actually, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of red chili powder. That's all. It's basic, simple Indian green sabji. Into that, since the potatoes are cooked, I'm going to add the turnip greens into that now. This is turnip greens and stems, everything chopped together. I haven't added the salt yet. If you add the salt, I think it is too much quantity, but the leaves will shrink. So I'm waiting for the leaves to cook a little bit before I add my salt into this. Going to add the salt now. This is 1/4 teaspoon, so I'm adding 2, half a teaspoon total. So let it cook for a second. This is my homemade yogurt. I'm making a little homemade salad for along with this salads, cucumbers and tomatoes. Little bit salt, that's it. If you want, you can add a little green chili, it's good enough. This is my simple salad on the side. This is my simple evening meal, vegan. My mango pickle, it's homemade. And my simple raita or salad. And the shalgam stir fry, the leaves, we call it turnip greens with potato. This is a very mild tasting green, and the potatoes gives it a nice filling taste to that. And this is a simple Indian meal for the evening: rice, little salad, and little grains and a pickle. I'm going to have my food now. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this recipe, please comment below and please like it, and please share and subscribe also. Thank you. We will see you in another interesting video, simple cooking like this. Thank you.